ChatGPT o3’s 40-signal AI link price forecast reveals mixed signals amid revolutionary Mastercard partnership. ChainLink. ChatGPT. Ad disclosure. Ad disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. ChatGPT o3 analyzes 40 signals showing link consolidation at $13.05 amid revolutionary Mastercard partnership enabling 3.5B cardholders on-chain crypto access. Ad disclosure. Ad disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Ad disclosure. Ad disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 3 hours ago. Why trust Crypto News? Crypto News has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Crypto News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. ChatGPT o3's AI model processed 40 live indicators and delivered a focused ChainLink price forecast as Link trades at $13.05 with a daily decline of 2.76%. While the groundbreaking Mastercard partnership enabling 3.5 billion cardholders to purchase crypto directly on-chain triggered the prior rally. Link, trading within a $13.02 to $13.51 range after a 13% surge following the partnership announcement, faces resistance at the 20-day EMA of $13.31 amid mixed technical signals. The market cap reached $8.86 billion with 24-hour volume declining 35.56% to $446.66 million as profit-taking emerged post-announcement. The following analysis was conducted using ChatGPT's o3 AI model. It synthesized 40 real-time technical indicators, institutional adoption metrics, Oracle network growth data, and partnership developments to assess Link's 90-day price trajectory. The predictions were then reanalyzed and edited together for enhanced readability while maintaining analytical precision. Technical pulse: consolidation after partnership-driven rally. ChainLink's current price of $13.05 reflects a minus 2.76% daily decline from an opening price of $13.42, establishing a narrow trading range between $13.51 high and $13.02 low, a 3.8% intraday spread indicating moderate volatility after yesterday's explosive 13% surge. Despite recent partnership-driven momentum, the RSI at 46.81 remains in neutral territory, suggesting balanced buying and selling pressure. This reading indicates room for movement in either direction without extreme overbought or oversold conditions that typically signal reversal points. MACD indicators present mixed signals with the MACD line at 0.03 slightly above zero, suggesting mild bullish momentum, while the signal line at minus 0.43 and negative histogram at minus 0.52 indicate weakening momentum. This divergence often precedes consolidation phases or trend changes. Moving averages create a tiered resistance structure across timeframes. The 20-day EMA at $13.31 sits just 2% above the current price, representing the most accessible resistance target. The 50-day EMA at $13.99 requires 7.2% appreciation, while the 100-day and 200-day EMAs at $14.66 and $15.38 represent 12.3% and 17.9% overhead resistance, respectively. The proximity to the 20-day EMA suggests that Link remains in a short-term consolidation phase, with the ability to test higher resistance levels if partnership momentum is sustained quickly. Volume analysis shows moderate activity at 2.19 million Link traded daily, representing normal participation levels. ATR readings at 11.30 indicate moderate volatility, with current low volatility components suggesting compressed trading ranges that often precede directional breakouts when catalyzed by fundamental developments. Historical price context: Oracle Network Pioneer seeks new highs. ChainLink's 2025 performance reflects the maturation of decentralized Oracle infrastructure, with price action testing multi-year resistance levels. Link, trading between $10 to $27 throughout the first half of 2025, has established critical support around $12.50 to $13, where institutional accumulation historically occurs. The current price represents a 75.25% decline from the May 2021 all-time high of $52.88. Though maintaining extraordinary gains of 10,260% from the September 2017 all-time low of $0.1263. This historical context highlights both the significant correction from peak levels and the transformative long-term appreciation potential. Recent technical analysis identified a hammer pattern formation that triggered a 15% bounce from weekly lows near $10.95, demonstrating strong buying interest at lower levels. This recovery established current support structures and confirmed whale accumulation patterns observed throughout 2025. The broader trading range between $10.50 and $18 defines Link's major technical corridor. Current positioning in the lower middle portion provides attractive risk-reward dynamics for both tactical and strategic investors. Support and resistance: critical levels define partnership-driven momentum. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $13.02, backed by the psychological $13 level where buying interest historically materializes. The key support zone extends from $12.50 to $13, representing major technical levels and institutional accumulation areas. Major support lies within the $11.50 to $12 range, corresponding to recent whale accumulation zones and historical base building periods. The strong support level spans $10 to $10.50, representing the historical base where significant institutional interest emerges. Resistance begins immediately at the 20-day EMA at $13.31, followed by the key resistance at the 50-day EMA of $13.99. Breaking this level would signal potential trend reversal and open pathways toward the major resistance zone of $14.50 to $15.50. The strong resistance zone spans $18 to $20, representing previous range highs and significant supply levels that would require sustained institutional adoption momentum to overcome. Breaking above $15.50 would likely trigger momentum expansion toward these higher targets. Current consolidation between $13 and $13.50 creates a defined trading range within which directional momentum could emerge rapidly once triggered by continued partnership developments or broader market catalysts. Revolutionary partnership: 3.5 billion users gain direct on-chain access. Mastercard and ChainLink announced a groundbreaking partnership on June 24, 2025, enabling over 3.5 billion cardholders worldwide to purchase cryptocurrencies directly on-chain through secure fiat-to-crypto conversion. This breakthrough is powered by ChainLink's secure interoperability infrastructure and Mastercard's trusted global payments network. The initiative launches through Swapper Finance, which leverages ChainLink's Oracle infrastructure to facilitate secure communication between off-chain financial systems and on-chain smart contracts. Users can use Mastercard credit or debit cards to buy tokens on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, with crypto deposited directly into their wallets. Rajd Hamadharan, Executive Vice President of Blockchain and Digital Assets at Mastercard, emphasized the partnership's significance. This is what crypto looks like when it's ready for the real world. In coming together with ChainLink, we're at the start of a very exciting journey to truly revolutionize the way we use cards for on-chain finance. The partnership integrates multiple infrastructure providers including Zero Hash for compliance and custody, Shift4 payments for processing, Swapper Finance for user experience, and XSwap for decentralized exchange functionality, all of which utilize the Uniswap protocol. Market metrics, fundamental strength despite technical consolidation. ChainLink maintains a market capitalization of $8.97 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $394.95 million, representing a volume-to-market cap ratio of 4.4%. The fully diluted valuation reaches $13.24 billion based on the maximum supply of 1 billion Link tokens. The circulating supply stands at 678.1 million Link, representing 67.8% of the maximum supply. The remaining tokens are allocated to ecosystem development and node operator incentives. This controlled supply mechanism provides predictable inflation dynamics, supporting long-term value appreciation. Despite recent consolidation pressure, market dominance remains stable at approximately 0.3% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, maintaining Link's position among the top 20 digital assets. The 75.25% decline from all-time highs contrasts with the 10,260% gain from all-time lows, highlighting both correction depth and long-term potential. Volume analysis shows a 35.56% decline in daily trading activity following the initial partnership announcement surge, indicating normal profit-taking behavior after significant news-driven appreciation. This consolidation pattern often precedes sustained momentum if fundamental developments continue. Oracle network dominance, infrastructure layer driving adoption. ChainLink operates the world's largest decentralized Oracle network, enabling smart contracts to access off-chain data and computation securely. The network has facilitated tens of trillions in transaction value across DeFi, banking, tokenized real-world assets, and cross-chain applications. Major financial institutions including SWIFT, Euroclear, Fidelity International, UBS, and ANZ utilize ChainLink infrastructure for critical operations. Top DeFi protocols including Aave, GMEX, and Lido depend on ChainLink oracles for secure price feeds and automated execution. Recent network expansion highlights 14 new integrations of 5 ChainLink services across 10 different blockchain platforms, demonstrating versatility and growing adoption across multiple ecosystems. This expansion supports the fundamental thesis that Oracle infrastructure becomes increasingly critical as blockchain adoption scales. ChainLink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, has also gained significant traction with institutions seeking to connect disparate blockchain networks. Partnerships with SWIFT, DTCC, and JP Morgan demonstrate institutional confidence in ChainLink's technical capabilities and regulatory compliance. The network's proof-of-reserve services for stablecoins and tokenized assets provide transparency and security that institutional users require, positioning ChainLink as essential infrastructure for the digital asset economy. Social sentiment, institutional confidence meets community optimism. ChainLink demonstrates positive market sentiment with a fear and greed index of 61, indicating the greed category driven by institutional partnerships and fundamental developments. The sentiment breakdown shows strong social scores at 83.5% and search interest at 93.5%, reflecting heightened community engagement. Recent social media activity highlights themes around institutional adoption acceleration, partnership significance with traditional finance giants, and long-term value proposition. Community discussions emphasize ChainLink's unique position, bridging traditional finance and decentralized systems. Crypto analyst sentiment remains overwhelmingly positive, with multiple analysts highlighting Link's undervaluation relative to network utility and institutional adoption. Social media posts emphasize accumulation opportunities at current levels and potential for significant appreciation. The Mastercard partnership has generated substantial social media buzz, with community members highlighting the revolutionary nature of enabling direct on-chain purchases for 3.5 billion users. This development addresses one of crypto's biggest adoption barriers through trusted payment infrastructure. 3-month Link price forecast scenarios. Partnership-driven breakout bull case, 40% probability. Successful implementation of Mastercard integration and additional institutional partnerships could drive sustained appreciation toward $18 to $22, representing 38 to 69% upside from current levels. This scenario requires continued institutional adoption, positive user adoption metrics, and broader crypto market recovery. Key catalysts include additional major payment processor partnerships, increased on-chain transaction volume through swapper finance, and successful navigation of regulatory requirements. Daily volume would need expansion above 3 million link to support sustained upward momentum. For full bull case realization, resistance levels at $13.99, $15.38, and $18 would need sequential clearing with volume confirmation. ChatGPT's bullish scenario envisions potential appreciation to $25 based on technical pattern completion. Range-bound consolidation, base case, 45% probability. Link may continue trading within the $12.50 to $15.50 range pending broader market direction and partnership implementation progress. The 20-day EMA at $13.31 provides near-term resistance while $12.50 support offers downside protection. This scenario requires steady institutional adoption progress, moderate Oracle network growth, and stable broader crypto market conditions. Volume would likely remain around current levels without significant expansion or contraction. Risk management involves monitoring daily closes above $13.50 for bullish momentum confirmation or below $12.50 for bearish breakdown signals toward deeper support levels. Technical breakdown, bear case, 15% probability. Failure to hold $12.50 support could trigger selling toward $10.50 to $11.50 historical support levels. This scenario would require partnership implementation delays, broader crypto market weakness, or unexpected competitive pressures. A breakdown below $12.50 with volume expansion would signal a potential deeper correction toward major support zones. Strong support at $10 to $10.50 would likely attract renewed institutional interest. Recovery would depend on successful partnership progress, Oracle network adoption metrics, or broader market stabilization, which would provide fundamental support for price recovery. Link price forecast: infrastructure layer meets mainstream adoption. ChainLink's current position reflects a unique convergence of technical consolidation, revolutionary partnership announcements, and established Oracle network dominance. The 40-signal analysis reveals a cryptocurrency positioned at the intersection of traditional finance and decentralized infrastructure. The Mastercard partnership represents a paradigm shift that could drive mainstream cryptocurrency adoption through trusted payment rails. Enabling 3.5 billion cardholders to purchase crypto directly on-chain eliminates traditional barriers and gives ChainLink unprecedented utility demonstration. Technical indicators suggest consolidation after partnership-driven momentum, with mixed signals indicating potential for both continuation and reversal. Current price levels near $13.05 offer attractive entry points for investors seeking exposure to Oracle infrastructure and institutional adoption themes. Critical levels to monitor. Support defense at $12.50 to $13 remains crucial for maintaining bullish structure potential, while resistance clearing above $13.99 could indicate momentum expansion toward partnership-driven targets. Daily closes above the 20-day EMA at $13.31 would confirm short-term consolidation completion. Over the next 90 days, investors should monitor Mastercard partnership implementation metrics, additional institutional partnership announcements, Oracle network adoption growth, and broader DeFi market sentiment. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Bitcoin price prediction. BTC jumps past $105,000 as Israel-Iran ceasefire sparks risk on surge. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. John Deaton says $100 billion Ripple valuation is possible. Here's what that means for XRP. 15 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Press releases. Solaxi, SOLEX, price set to heat up as Solana Layer 2 lists on DEX's major exchanges to follow. Price analysis. Bitcoin price soars 2.49% on thrilling news from Japan, Trump, and USDB $109K breakout on the horizon. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025, top crypto to invest in. 15 hours ago. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. 1 day ago. By NSS, Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Pre-sale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 16 minutes ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.